Welcome to a video by Abron. This is TLC film coating machine, which is our manual one. This one is a automatic and manual system. Here we can press it. This one is a manual. Here when it comes to you, you have to attach it. This is for roller pulling. You can pull the roller by this rotating. You can this is for coating. You can switch on it and then see this. You can see how much is the coating. Below is the coating. Here it has a microns distance. So here also we have got this another machine which is on. You can check up how much is the thickness of the thickness of the film, and before coating and after coating you can check it. This is for just a measuring device. And this one is a temperature control. Here we have the on off switch. Here we can set the temperature. We can press it. Here you can see temperature already is 40 degree. Here it is set temperature. I stepped it up to 50 60, then I have just for demonstration. It doesn't become hard. I can touch it. So here we have to press it and then we can increase or decrease it. I can make it 30 and then you have to enter it, then it becomes 30 degree desired temperature. Mostly working is about 50 degrees 60 degrees. That depends on your chemical. Here I can give the chemical. I can put it here, and then coating can be done on this way. It can be done on this way. You have the roll. Here it is, roll is put. This one is for 100 mm distance, and the roll is put, and then it is attached to the section. Then move it manually or automatically for coating. This will give you the coating. We have got another one which is about, this is 100. We have got the 50 mm also, 150 mm also, 200 mm also, 300 mm. This depth is up to 300 mm. Roller is also 600 mm. This one is also more. Here we have the distance is about 16 or 17 inches, but the length is about 24 inches. This one is a hot plate with toughened glass is there, so the temperature is controlled by this. You can see this very easily. This one is for switching on and off. You can switch off and then you can just on it by rotating. This is you can press it, it switches off, and then rotate it, it switch on. That is mostly it is done for emergency. You can do this. Please visit the website, and our email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. WhatsApp website is abronexports.com. We have got another TLC machines also for laboratory testing. Chromatography machines are also available. This is film coating for medical and other utilities can be done. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.